y'all, welcome back to my channel. So we are at CVS for the deals for August 20th through the 26th. There are a lot of hot, great deals at CVS. Unfortunately for me, for my inserts, a lot of the coupons that you need are regional. So I did not get the Playtex coupon. I never usually get the Garnier coupons, the whole blend. So I won't be working with those, but I'm still going to bring those deals to you because I know most of you do get those. But just be aware, those that have been asking me why didn't I get those coupons, it's because they're regional. And regional means that not all regions of the US will get the same coupons. I wish they would just convert and have everybody get the same exact coupons. That would make more sense since sometimes we order them offline anyway and get the regional ones. So what is the difference? I don't understand it, but whatever. So yes, and as far as CRTs, when I checked my app last night, I only have 3. So I'm going to check the kiosk, of course, when I get in store and see if it prints anymore. But back to having a crazy things with the CRTs, I think. I don't know, because some people are getting a bunch and some people are getting a little bit. So we shall see when we get inside. CVS is up and down, always something going on. So we're going to go in CVS and see what we can get this week.
Alright, so I did get a $5 beauty buck for hitting beauty last week, and I did get more than 3 CRTs, but still not a lot. I got 3 off 10 for the Dial, 3 off of 12 Cosmetics, 3 Nivea, 3 off 2 Hershey's, and 2 off 2 L'Oreal Preference Hair Color. Alright, so the Garnier Whole Blends is on sale for 2 for $7, and when you buy 3, you get a $3 extra care buck back, limit 1 on this deal. So you're going to pick up 4 of them, and you're going to use 4 of the $2 off 1 coupons that came in today's Red Plum. Remember, they are regional. I did not get those coupons. You'll pay $6 out of pocket, receive that $3 extra care buck, making these 75 cents each when you buy 4, which is a great smoking hot deal for the Whole Blends. Next deal is on the Playtex Sport tampons. So they are on a promo for buy 1, get the second 50% off, and when you spend $12, you get a $3 extra care buck, limit 1. So you're going to pick up 4 of these, and I think it's supposed to be the 16 count, which I'm looking around and I do not see the 16 count, so I'm assuming it's the 18 count since these are the ones tagged for it. So the 18 count would be even better. So pick up 4 of those. Use 4 of those $2 off 1 coupons that came in today's Smart Source. Remember, they're regional. I didn't get those. So you'll pay $8.48 out of pocket if they're priced for $5.49. So mine are a little bit higher, so they'd be a little bit more. Receive that $3 extra care buck, making these around $1.37 each when you buy 4, which I think is a pretty good deal for Playtex, being that they're originally $5.99 or $5.49 depending on your store. So great deal on tampons. Next deal is on the Gillette Mach 3 or the Venus razors. So they're on a promo. When you buy 2, you get an $8 extra care buck, limit 1. They are priced $8.99 regular price, so if you have a percentage off coupon, use it here for an even sweeter deal. But if you don't, you're going to pick up 2 of them. Use 2 of the $3 off 1 coupons that were in the Red Plum 813. You'll pay $11.98 out of pocket. Receive this $8 extra care buck, making these $1.99 each when you buy 2. Also, body wash is on a promo for 2 for $7, and when you buy 2, you get a $3 extra care buck, limit 1. So if you want to do this deal, you're going to grab 2 of them. You're going to use 2 of the 75-cent off 1 coupons from softsoap.com. You'll pay $5.50 out of pocket, receive that $3 extra care buck, making these $1.25 each when you buy 2. Now, I don't recommend doing this unless you're brand loyal or if you have a body wash CRT, because $1.25, it's a good price, being that it was regularly $4.49, but we've gotten them way cheaper before. So I would hold out if you don't need this right now. But if you have a CRT to stack with it, definitely do it for a smoking hot deal. Dial 3-pack bar soap or the foaming hand soap is on a promo for 2 for $5, and you will buy 2 and get a $3 extra care buck. So what you're going to do, even if you don't have the CRT, it's the same price, guys. So you're going to pick up 4 if you have the CRT, which says $3 off a $10 Dial bar soap, hand soap, or body wash purchase. So you'll use that. Actually, it doesn't say hand soap, so it's just for the bar soap. So you cannot do the hand soap with that CRT. So you'll pick up 4 bar soaps, 3 of them, and you'll use that CRT 3 off 10. You'll also use this $1 off 2 coupon that came in the Red Plum 86. You use 2 of these. So after you use those coupons and that CRT, you'll pay $5 out of pocket, receive that $3 extra care buck back, making these 50 cents each when you buy 4. Now, if you don't have the CRT, you'll just pick up 2 of them, use 1 of these coupons, and it will still make them 50 cents. So awesome, awesome deal on bar soap this week. This is my favorite deal of the week. Alright guys, hot deal on Tresemme, but it is a Sunday only deal because the coupon expires today. So if you want to do this deal, you have to run out and do it before they close tonight. So the Tresemme Experts are on sale for 2 for $10, and when you buy 2, you get a $3 extra care buck. So you're going to pick up 2 of them. You're going to use one of these buy one, get one free coupons from the Red Plum 8.6. Remember, it expires today, 8/20. You'll use that. You'll pay $5 out of pocket, receive this $3 extra care buck, making these just $1 each when you buy 2, which is a really good deal, especially for the Expert. So if you want to do this deal, you have to run out and get it tonight. Same deal we did last week, guys, on the Maybelline eyeshadows. It's the same promo again, so awesome. If you still have coupons, grab them and do this deal one more time. So the promo is for Maybelline, buy any 2, you get a $5 extra care buck. So you're going to pick up 2 of these eyeshadows that are priced at $3.99. You're going to use 2 of these $1 off coupons that were from the Red Plum 730. Pay $5.98 out of pocket, receive that $5 extra care buck back, making these 49 cents each when you buy 2. And remember, these do track for beauty, so I'm picking my 2 up again this week. Another good deal on Physicians Formula this week. So they're on a promo for spend 20, get a $10 extra care buck, limit 1. So you're going to pick up 2 of these mascaras that are priced at $9.99. And I've got some CRTs I'm working with. I'm working with a 4 off of 12 Physicians Formula, and I also got this $3 off of 12 Any Cosmetics. So you're going to use 2 of those, and you'll pay $13 out of pocket, receive that $10 extra care buck back, making these $1.50 each when you buy 2. So smoking deal on Physicians Formula. L'Oreal's on a promo. When you buy 2, you get a $10 extra care buck, limit 1. Now, supposedly these wipes are included. I'm going to test it out and let y'all know for sure, but they're priced $7.79 at my store, so they'll be a little bit more for me than what they might be for you at $7.59, and they are regular price, so you can use a % off coupon for these if you have one. So you'll get 2 of them. You'll use 2 of these $2 off 1 coupons from the Red Plum 730. You'll pay $11.18 out of pocket. You'll receive a $10 extra care buck, making these around 60 cents each when you buy 2. So I'll let y'all know at the end if it worked out. There's a promo on select products for when you spend $20, you receive a $5 extra care buck back, limit 1. So I've got 3 breakdowns below that you can do for this deal. So only do 1 because you won't receive the extra care buck, but only 1 time. So the one that I think is the best deal is if you buy 4 of these Persil laundry detergents for $4.34, and also buy 4 Kleenexes that are priced at $1 when you buy 2. So you'll pick up 4 laundry detergents, and you will use 4 of the $1 off 1 coupons from the Red Plum 820 that came out today. And you'll also use a 50 cents off of 3 Kleenex coupon from the Smart Source 7.9. So you'll pay $16.86 out of pocket, receive this $5 extra care buck, making the laundry detergent and the Kleenex $1.48 each when you buy all 8. So really good deal in my opinion on the Persil laundry detergent and on Kleenex tissue. So if you want to do the spend 20, get 5, that's the best out of the 3 that I have, but the other ones are including paper products, so you might be interested in those. So make sure to look at the link below for the printable breakdown. Here's a simple deal that I'm excited about. It is on the Tide Simply. So they're on sale for $1.99, and there's a $1 off 1 load to card coupon you can clip. That's a digital coupon, CVS coupon, and it should take $1 off, and it will make them 99 cents, guys. So hot deal on Tide at CVS. Coke 2 liters are on sale for 99 cents, and there's a limit of 3 on this deal, and I think that's a hot price for 2 liters.
Alright guys, great transaction at CVS. I did do the L'Oreal wipes in a separate transaction to see if it would produce the extra care buck, and it totally did. And those coupons that I showed you totally worked for those. So that is a smoking hot deal for those. I've used those wipes before, and they are really, really great as far as moisturizing your skin. You know, they might not be the best for taking makeup off, but they're definitely a great wipe as far as cleansing and moisturizing your face. So definitely pick up those. That's a hot buy this week at CVS. And also, I'm going to show you my receipt when we get home. We have other errands to run. We're going to Walgreens. But the Mentos, I did not show you 2 deals. The Mentos Now Mints, they are buy one, get one free. And we had a coupon way back from March that's in the printable breakdown below. So it would make those absolutely free. However, they're ringing up for $2, and the coupon is taking off $2.69. $2.69, and I got 4 of them. So it gave me $2.69 back 3 times. All right, 3 times I got $2.69 back. So that was a hot money maker for me, and that helped with some of my other purchases. So that was sweet that the cashier gave me the $2.69, the max value of the coupon, being that they only rang up for the $2 price. They only rang up for $2 is what I see on my receipt. So yes, so super happy about that. And I got all of my extra care bucks back that I was supposed to get. So great trip at CVS. So we're going to go do our running and I will see you back at the house. All right, y'all, we made it back home and this is my CVS haul. So yes, it does look small, but it is absolutely mighty. So let me get into my receipt and what worked and what didn't work, all the good stuff I like to bring y'all. So first off, the Mentos Now mints, they are buy one, get one free. And if you have that buy one, get one free coupon, it makes them absolutely free. However, I was telling you that they gave me the full $2.69 off and they're only ringing up for $2. So all, let's see, 5 of mine, I should have had another one somewhere, it probably fell out, but I got 6, and they were $2.04 Moneymaker for me, so that is an awesome deal. If you have those coupons, definitely go and do that deal, because that is smoking hot this week. It did produce the $10 extra care bucks for the L'Oreal wipes. I will show you that. And that Dial deal, 50 cents for a 3-pack of bar soap, is an awesome deal. My digital coupon for $1 for the Tide did come off. That was awesome and sweet. And everything else worked out fine. So let me show you my receipt for everything. I did do the L'Oreal in a separate transaction just because I wanted to see if it would work and not mess everything up. So let me get this focused for y'all. Maybe. So the 3 off of 12 CRT did come off. There we go. It came off just fine. And also the 4 off 12 Physicians Formula came off just fine down here. The $3 off of 10 for the Dial came off. And let's see where the Tide is. The Tide, and this is still not focused right, guys. There we go. The Tide coupon did come off as you see there. So that dollar digital works. So if you're skeptical about the digitals, they are working. So my total before tax was 72 cents. I did roll some extra care bucks from last week, and let's see what my extra care bucks came back as. $10 for the Physicians Formula because I bought 2 of the mascaras. So that was a sweet deal for me with those CRTs that I used. $3 for the Dial. I love that deal. $5 for the Maybelline, the 2 eyeshadows. That was a repeat deal from last week. And $1 for the Reese's chocolate was 88 cents. So that's the extra care bucks that was supposed to come back from transaction number 1. Transaction number 2 was the wipes. So the wipes are a little bit more pricier at my store than they might be at yours. $7.79. Those $2 off 1 coupons came off just fine, no beeping, so that was great. I did roll some extra care bucks. So my out of pocket was 58 cents before tax, and I did get back the $10 extra care buck. That's for the L'Oreal, so it definitely is printing for the wipes, and only the wipes, guys. Don't try to use that cleanser because it says excludes cleansers, but the wipes are included because I don't know why, but sometimes they're included, and it's working. Here's the proof, extra care buck in tow right there. And yeah, that's my haul, guys. So I was super happy with everything. No hiccups, no beeping coupons, no digitals not coming off, no extra care bucks not printing. So a great trip. So yes, small but mighty. And y'all know, as we've always said, that if you pick up a little bit here and there, your stockpile will be humongous. So you don't have to go buck wild and buy a million things to have a stockpile in no time. Y'all give this video a thumbs up if you're loving the in-store videos, and hit that subscribe button if you're not with me already, because I do an in-store CVS haul every single week here on the channel, and I'd love to have you a part of my YouTube family here. Love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're able to go and score some great deals at CVS this week. Y'all have a great week, and until Walgreens tomorrow morning at 8 Central Time, I will see you then. Bye, guys.